Hey guys, it's me, the Happy Cultivator, and it's that time of year. So today is March 1st here in Southern California, about 2 miles from the beach, just south of the Los Angeles International Airport. And on March 1st, if I plant a feminized seed, it will go through the whole summer, turn into a nice tree, and produce some good buds by October. So what I have here is I'm going to plant a little Purple Dawn seed from my sponsor, Nukeheads. Shout out to Nukeheads. Thank you very much, Nukeheads. And then right here, I have some of the original skunk number 1. Very excited about planting this. So I'm going to plant this in that pot. All right, now I'm going to plant this little skunk number 1 seed right there. I don't like to put them too deep under the surface. They just need to be that shallow. Now I'm going to go grab just a little bit of water and drip that over there and get these babies germinated. Got my water here, so I'm just going to lightly pour water around where that seed is and let that drip into that seed, because I don't want to pour the water over the seed or it'll sink. And as you can see, I've got some nice cover crop going, so I'll just water the cover crop, and then the rest of the water will soak on over to the seed. Do the same thing here. Just give a little bit of water around the seed. And I'll give the pot a little bit more water, but I'll let that soak in. I just want to give it a little bit of water at a time, as we don't want to lose these precious, beautiful, feminized seeds. So we'll watch these grow up in these beautiful 15 gallons full of living no-till soil with some worms, and then we'll feed it some nice teas and things, and we're getting into the Korean natural farming this year. It's going to be a real good season, guys. So, really excited. This is your season opener, the official season opener of the 2020 grow season here in the Urban Garden. So, come along for the ride. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope I can teach you guys some things, maybe some things that I do that you don't, that you want to try. And remember to like, share, and comment the things that you do that I might not do, that, hey, I might be interested in doing. With that, I say, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and always urban garden.